It's been a while since we do our vlog, diba?
It's been a while I was in the car.
So today is what?
Meow.
Thursday.
It's
5 March,
Tw-
January. 5 March.
Yeah, it's Mama's birthday.
And
Our wedding anniversary, 10
Yeah.
years. Grabe, tagal.
grabe naman
Feeling
eh.
ko, 50 years na.
Bruh.
Tapos, March 5 din, nung bininyagan si Alec ko pala. So, today lalabas kami. Pero, ilibot namin itong bata-batuta. Pero, dadaan muna kami ng simbahan, syempre. And then, kakain ng
Sushi.
unlimited sushi.
Sushi.
As usual. Kung napasin nyo guys.
I love underground.
So, saan tayo pupunta ulit? Papunta kami ng Groningen. Doon maglilibot-libot. And then, baka makabili ako ng Korean skincare.
Sure.
Ano?
Yung fountain, anak.
Fountain. Mini fountain. Anyway, yun. And, ano ba? Wala masyadong ganap sa aming instead, ano tawag ito? Medyo, syempre, malungkot today. Kasi nga, first time ni Mama ng birthday, dapat 70 siya today. Oh, it's her 70th birthday today. Last year, May 2025 siya nawala.
That's okay, mate.
Yeah.
They're speeding, anak.
A few moments later.
So, nandito na kami sa Groningen and the first stop is here. What hotel is that? What's the name of this hotel?
Called Albert.
Albert Hotel.
My name is Albert.
And then,
William Albert.
we ordered kay Alec itong hot chocolate. Ang galing ng hot chocolate nila guys. So, Blockers. Nakasawsaw mo na.
Okay.
Sasawsaw mo yung doon. Tapos may waffles. Si Albert. What's that cake again, Han? No, you have to put it there.
leave it there.
You have to leave it there.
Don't remove. Mongloid, don't remove.
So,
Apple tart.
apple cake. I ordered nachos. So, ito, ganyan mo sa hanggang malusaw siya. Kaya ko, wala pa yung nachos ko.
Our nachos, you mean?
Our nachos namin. Lucky. Alec. Nagkikrave ako sa nachos eh.
A few moments later.
Guys, hi! My new capybara toy.
Window shopping.
Air Jordan.
Bruh.
Pangit?
It's
Not
so
small.
Lakad-lakad kami dito. Ikot-ikot. Pupunta kami dun sa shop ng Korean skincare. Kailangan ko na ng vitamin C serum. Kami dito sa Hema because nagutom si Alec.
As usual.
No,
As usual.
not pipi.
Napipi pa. Eh, ang open pa nung unlimited is 4 p.m. So, nakabili na ako nung skincare. So, merienda muna kami para mamaya gutom.
Si Cappy.
Nag-enjoy ka naman, Lek.
Yeah, I'm so happy with my capybara. Now we have.
Sana, nag-enjoy ka naman. Grabe pala ng mata ko. Maga ang mata ni Mami.
Hi!
So, you enjoy yung capybara. Tuwan-tuwa sa capybara niya. Grabe, parang summer, ang init. 16 degrees. 16
I remove my
degrees.
sweaters.
Yeah, 16 degrees kami now. It's almost 4 p.m.
Haha.
So, we decided to go dun kung sa kami kumakain na unlimited sushi sa Yume, which is in Asen. Parang 30 minutes from here sa Groningen.
It's 29
Yeah.
now.
At saka naka-enjoy. I got my gifts para may anak at
Oh, it's
from daddy.
skincare, so what?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yung
I
vitamin
gave
C
her-
skincare ba?
I gave her a bracelet. Here, you
Ito,
wear
yung
the
ginibig
bracelet.
niya daw ako ng bracelet. Ginawa ni Alec. Ay, natatakpan yung camera. Yung bracelet ni nanay. Yung gift niya sa
I'm
akin.
wearing my Lumban.
So now, we're gonna eat
Yume!
and Yumi. Later.
Bye,
Grabe ang pula ng mata ko na ko.
Mm.
Magawa naman. Excuse for my eyes, guy. Ay, bagpamore.
Guys, you know, I might just bring my phone and my capybara.
At saka pala may bag siya. Yun. Maga kasi. Okay. Later na lang ulit. Say
Bye, guys!
A few moments later.
So, start na kami. Salad. Hey, don't use your hand. And then, shrimp. Nag-order ako ng isang sushi. Ito yung unlimited. So, let's eat sushi. Tapos meron kami ibang chicken. Si Alec, di makapag-intay. This is second round. We have the big teriyaki and yung squid. Ito na ulit. Meron na ulit kaming sushi. So, yung servings nila dito maliliit. Pero since unlimited, mabubusog ka talaga. Para kang susuko. So, ganyan-ganyan lang yung mga plate nila. Pero you can order it as much as you want. So, another batch of hipon.
Yeah.
Ako yung tiga-balat, silang mag-ama tiga-kain. And pag dito, kumakain ako ng rice pero isang ganito lang. Palit lang yan guys. So, another round. So, this is beef teriyaki, lamb. Tapos meron akong pork, parang liempong style na malutong. So, ito na, panglima na, panghalim na namin round nito.
Okay, I'm gonna eat it now.
Hindi, kain mo na. Sumasakit na yung ulo ko sa busugan. Meron kami ditong, what you call this one, Han?
Apple.
Gyoza.
Apple gyoza. I have my, nakalimutan ko na tawag dito.
Salad.
No, yes, salad, but do you call this one? Anong weed?
From the garden. Seaweed niya.
Seaweed. Meron pa kaming hipon na pabatos. Ito na, yung another taon ng hipon namin. Masarap siya. Grabe. Ayun ka, walang tigas sa akin. Sarap pa na. And then this is curry rice with chicken. Para kay Albert. So, dessert time na kami kasi busog na kami guys. So, ice cream, macarons. Pero pa kami yung parang butchi. Pero wala pa. Grabe, busog na kami. Butchi! Alec, ano ka?